Apple is making the thinnest iPhone ever, the iPhone 17 Slim, also known as the iPhone 17 Air. But will it be Apple's dream phone or a nightmare? Let's find out. The Air devices aren't new. Apple has been making the iPad Air and MacBook Air for years. They are similar to the Pro models but with lower prices and specs. For example, the iPad Pro starts at $1,299 and goes up to $2,299 with an M4 chip and 2 RAM options. In contrast, the iPad Air starts at $799 and goes up to $1,299 with an M2 chip, lower storage options, and an 18 GB RAM version. The MacBook Air follows a similar trend. Does this mean we can expect a lower price for the iPhone 17 Air? Reports suggest otherwise. The iPhone 17 Air is replacing the Plus model from the iPhone 17 series but won't have the same price. Apple is developing a new form factor for the iPhone 17 Slim, placing its price in the Pro category. Some reliable sources even suggest its price could surpass the Pro Max model, targeting Pro Max users who might pay more for an extra slim variant. Reports indicate that Apple is upgrading the front-facing camera and display across all iPhone 17 models. All four will feature a 24MP selfie shooter and a 120Hz ProMotion display. The iPhone 17 Air, as a new product in Apple's lineup, will have a smaller display than both the iPhone 16 Plus and Pro Max. Apple is also ditching the titanium frame in favor of an aluminum one for the entire iPhone 17 lineup. The iPhone 17 Air aims to be incredibly slim. Apple's iPad Pro is 5.1 mm thick, making a 5 mm 17 Air seem feasible. However, challenges arise. The current iPhone batteries are about 6 mm thick, meaning the iPhone 17 Air will likely have a much smaller battery than previous Plus models. To achieve this slimness, Apple is making significant compromises, including replacing dual speakers with a single one and offering only a single 48MP rear camera. This would make it the first flagship iPhone with a single camera since the iPhone 7 Plus. The iPhone 17 Air is rumored to include 8 GB of RAM and the base version of the A19 chip, while the A19 Pro and 12 GB RAM will be reserved for Pro variants. Apple continues its shift away from SIM card trays, but the Chinese market requires a SIM slot, creating design challenges. Additionally, Apple is developing its own 5G modem chip to reduce reliance on Qualcomm. While this chip is planned for both the iPhone 4 and iPhone 17 Air, it faces issues like slower speeds and less reliable connectivity compared to Qualcomm's chips, which include advanced millimeter wave technology. If the leaked pricing is accurate, the iPhone 17 Air might feel like a downgrade for the sake of a few millimeters. However, since it's still in development, Apple has time to address these concerns. Hopefully, Apple's dream phone doesn't become a nightmare. Before the iPhone 17 series, Apple plans to release the upgraded iPhones 4 next March. Stay tuned for more updates.